quick message to our healthcare heroes. Thank you so much, and we realize that this thing is stretching out and it's not ending, and you are hanging in there and you are continuing to serve us and work so hard, and we appreciate it, and we are still praying for you. We've not forgotten about you, and we just want to say thank you.
Hey friends, I just want you to know that I'm proud of you and that I love you and that I am praying for you every day. What you're doing for this community is the work of Jesus, and we really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much for all that you do for us.
Thank you for all that you're doing. We appreciate you so much. God bless you.
Hello, healthcare workers. I am so grateful for everything you're doing for us each and every day. And I know it's a struggle, and I can imagine what you're going through with your families and all the hours you're working, but we so love you, we so appreciate you, and we are praying for you constantly.
Hi friends, thank you so much for all you're doing to take care of our community. We love you, we believe in you, and we pray that God will be with you. Bye.
Thank you so much for the hard work you're doing. We're praying for you.
Thank you for what you're doing. Thank you for caring for the vulnerable, the sick, the elderly, for those who cannot speak because they're on a ventilator, for those who are hurting. Thank you. Thank you for loving our community and loving each other. What you do matters.
Hi, healthcare workers. I just want to say thank you for all you do for our community and staying in there in this tough time. Just praise your names and continue to stick with it, and hopefully we can conquer this together.
This is John and Janice. They fall a lot. John has MS and Janice is just clumsy. They decided to wrap themselves in bubble wrap, but then they realized they didn't have to worry. They have the best medical staff anywhere. And now this medical staff is fighting the virus. John and Janice love you. You've got this.
Hi friends, thank you so much for all of the ways in which you are loving our community in powerful ways, but maybe in perhaps unseen ways. I'm so grateful for you. As far as I'm concerned, you represent the best of Bowling Green, for the way that you love others, for the way that you sacrifice yourself for others. And from the bottom of my heart, I am incredibly grateful for you and incredibly proud to be a part of the Bowling Green community because of you. Keep the faith. We're praying for you. We love you, and we're incredibly grateful for you. Much love.
Thank you so much for being in a very tough space but doing your absolute best. We are so proud of you for all the good work that you're doing, bringing hope to people in scary situations. Thank you.
You are so very much appreciated.
Hi, just wanted to say thank you for all that you do. We love you and appreciate you, and may God continue to bless you.
Sandy and I would like to thank you so much for all that you do to serve our community. We would not absolutely make it without you. We're so appreciative and great. Can you blow them kisses?
I just wanted to take the time to say how much I appreciate what you all are doing. I know you must be exhausted and overwhelmed, and but we want to encourage you. I want you to know that I am praying for you and that we are cheering you on, and thank you, thank you, thank you.